Surprise! I got a new machine from HTVRONT, and here is the unboxing of this machine. It comes well protected with this thick pad, and here it is. I'm going to put it on the table. Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you a new machine from HTVRONT. Yay! It's the manual heat press, and I'm going to go to the other side to show you everything about it. And this one is the new manual heat press from HTVRONT, and it has the same design as the auto heat press. And as you can see, it has the handle right here to close and put the pressure. And best of all, is that this machine has a pressure regulator, and it's right here. And you can regulate the pressure according to your materials. If your materials are thicker, you can unscrew this one to the left side, and it's going to be higher right here. But if you're going to use something very thin, you don't need to put a lot of pressure, see? And also, right here, I'm gonna show you something different. This machine can turn 180 degrees to the left or to the right. Look. It says right here, when it's hot, it says do not touch it, okay? Don't touch it. You're going to touch it with this part up here, and you can turn this one to the back, as you can see. And you can freely, right here, put your materials and your designs. Look, it goes to the other side. And also you can work from any side. So this one you can put at the end maybe of a table or something, and if you have more space on the left, you can turn to the left, or you can put it on the side and turn to the right. See, it's up to you. So I have more room to the right, so I'm going to keep working on turning this side to the right. So now another thing is that comes with this pad right here, the mat for ironing on. And the size of this one is 15 inches by 15 inches. See, it's big. So it's enough for maybe a jacket, t-shirts, hoodies. See, you can put it on the side right here, and it has more room up here to put your clothes. So it's going to be fantastic. And then when you are ready, you are going to just put it straight and then push this one all the way down, and it's going to make the pressure. See? And also it comes with this control pad. And I'm going to show you the control pad. The power button goes right here. And you can use this one to increase the temperature, and this one for that time. So now this one is cold, so I can move from the side right here, but be careful. Okay, when you are working, you have to hold it from the handle. Okay, I'm going to be in this side because you can see that I'm working on the machine. Now it's already at 290 with 5 seconds, and that's for preheating that t-shirt. And you will hear that beep when it's ready. And now I'm going to add the vinyl on the shirt. And I increased the time to 10 seconds now because I'm going to add one more layer. Press the time button for 2 seconds and the countdown will start. Now it's ready. It's been 10 seconds. I let it cool a little bit, and then I peel the backing and put the next layer, and it's going to be another 10 seconds. And when it's cool, I'm going to peel the backing again, and it's ready. And look, this is the final result. See? Perfectly imperfect. Now I'm going to decorate this tote, and this is made out of canvas, and I'm going to preheat it first for 5 seconds again, and then I'm going to continue with the decoration. And now I'm going to move a little bit to the top so the handles can be out because it's not even. And now I'm going to proceed to heat press. And I'm going to regulate the pressure a little bit because my material is thicker. Now I'm going to press at 310 for 15 seconds. And it's very easy when you swing away the top part so you can stand there and move the back in, fix it, and do it again and again. And when you turn the handle down, it's very soft too. And this one is the final result. How beautiful! I love how it looks. So beautiful. I love it. It's super quiet and it's easy to arrange the items. When you turn this one, you can change the pressures and it has a control pad. That's very nice. If you like this machine, you can check in the description box. The link is going to be over there. And there is a special because now you can pre-order and everything. All the information is going to be in the description box. So please check it out. And again, as always, thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.